Looking for a trusted partner in China? Sourcing, verification, business tours, market entry. Heihe Service helps global clients work with China more efficiently and confidently. China Buyer Agent, China Business Assistant, China Buyer Service, Supplier Verification, Factory Audit, Quality Inspection and Shipment Coordination, Sourcing Execution, Inspection Follow-up, Warehouse Coordination, Document Review. Global Logistics, we coordinate inspection, documentation, warehousing and shipment, follow-up from China to your market. China Business Tour, factory visits, trade shows, business meetings and market research, supplier meeting negotiation local follow-up. We communicate with suppliers on your behalf and help you make faster, clearer business decisions. China Country Manager, market entry. Local partnerships, business growth, helping overseas companies enter China, build partnerships and grow business. 17 years international trade, reliable, efficient professional, your premium China partner for sourcing, supplier inspection and business development support. With international trade expertise, Heihe Service helps you work in China with confidence. Start your China business journey with Heihe Service now.